No, I'm not leaving YouTube. Who's going to help you when I'm gone? Have you ever thought of that? You were happy that I was leaving. Listen, guys, every now and then we have to iron out a few people from this channel. Really. I don't look at this YouTube channel like something that I just make content on and look to grow, and people look at me and like and follow. I don't care about likes. I don't care about follows. What I do care about is who's benefiting from this channel. And every now and then I have to iron out the wrong people. And surely when I made that video previously, everybody, was like, wow, is this happening? Some people was like, he does this every now and then. True, you're right. I do this every now and then. And it works. Some people end up unsubscribing, and I'm thankful for that. This is exactly what I intend from my videos. Anyways, what's happening in the world of stocks? I do not trade like your, YouTuber traders. I don't look at charts. I generally don't even look at a chart. Charts don't mean anything to me these days. What I really care about is the data that's out there. And the data is what's important, better than charts. The chart is the last thing I look at. And here I'm telling you guys what I see ahead of the data before it happens. And that helps you guys in your trading, right? So, the last couple of weeks, we've been on the sideline with most of our money and expecting some kind of a correction. And the market thought we had a correction, if you remember a few weeks ago, but it was engulfed a few days later. So, if we look at the data, such as flash manufacturing PMI, unemployment claims, the data is great, right? So, there isn't really much going on in regards to growth, but things are turning flat. And you notice slowly the market is also turning flat. But it's not going to be an extreme drop, in my opinion, for demand. Some things are going to drop for sure. Like, once AI pulls back, such stocks like ARM Holdings, for example, that have PE ratio of 360, which means it's overvalued, and traders and investors are really betting on this to produce a lot. And I feel like when you bet on stocks like this to produce a lot and the PE ratio is this much, there will be a disappointment down the line to cause a crash in the NASDAQ of some sort, because these are big companies. Palantir, same thing, PE ratio 263. And this is like something that's, you notice this, it's very hot amongst retail traders, or dummies really, that think they know what they're doing. They don't. Anyways, Nvidia isn't that expensive. It's probably the same PE ratio as Tesla. Some who say Tesla is expensive. But in my opinion and what I see, I feel like there's going to be a shift from certain things. For example, if AI is hot now, things are going to shift from AI to another industry. So the reason why you have to listen to this is because you want to know where the money is. This is how you make money. I don't look at charts, like I said, and this is what I just explained to you is exactly what I look at, is looking at data and then projecting what's next. So this week is very important coming up because you have big tech. This tech is basically what makes the NASDAQ, majority of it. So it's very important you guys understand this, and hopefully you come across this video before tomorrow or the week starts, because a miss in any of these big tech is going to be a little bit difficult. Look, your trading needs to change, especially when the markets are going to be flat or will turn a little bit flat. I mean, the last couple of weeks haven't been a solid, trend. It's been up, down, sideways, up, down, sideways. I feel like a lot of traders would have gotten caught out during that period. So you have to really reassess your trading. You can't trade the same in every market condition. Like during a bear market, you would maybe buy and sell quickly because, the trend is just scared. In a recovery mode, you would just buy the dip every, other dip. But we've been doing this for 14 months now, and it seems like the table's getting hot, in my opinion. And sometimes when you see that, but then the market tells you otherwise, you just have to follow your gut feeling. And that's what we're doing here. But if you're planning on investing or swing trading, use a percentage of your capital. Don't use it all, right? So in case there is a drop, at least you have some money left on the side to scoop up shares at a cheap price. Okay? Now, like I said, the chart is the last thing I look at. And looking at this chart, the NASDAQ, that is, it looks like it wants to do a double top. But this chart has disappointed so many times. Double top charts, of course. And we can see that potentially it could continue up to the 20,000 on the NASDAQ before pulling back, given the data, of course, unless the earnings say otherwise. So it's very tricky here, guys, right? It's going to be a little bit tricky, but I think we will get that push if earnings are great this week. And then November, you have elections and you've got some AI data or reports to be released. So that's my analysis for today, guys. And I'll see you next time for a different kind of video. But I feel like I should make an analysis once a week for you on YouTube. So that's me done. Smashy, smashy. See you next time. Bye.